everybody, my name is Kelly Fothergill. I am a Navy veteran. I've been married for 18 years and I am the mother of 2 awesome kiddos. I'm super passionate about health and wellness and helping people get started on their own journey toward health and wellness. So today I wanted to show you what I do to make an immune blender, immune roller. Normally I buy these. These are 10 milliliter. They're glass roller bottles from Amazon with a metal top. You don't want the plastic ones because the oils are so powerful they'll actually pull the plastic into your oils and you don't want that. So this one's full, but I have another bottle that I'm going to use today. So that's this one. It's actually an empty Valor roller from Young Living. I am also with Young Living Essential Oils and I love them. But right now I took the top off and I'm going to make a blend for us. And it's going to be super powerful for immune support. So first we're going to put in Thieves. Thieves is a blend of oils and it comes from the 15th century. Back when thieves would go around the dead and dying and they would not get sick. They would have these silk scarves and they would put them in different oils. The blend is cinnamon, clove, lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And they would not get sick. So they'd be going, they cover their faces and go and steal the jewels from the dead and the dying and not get sick. So we do Thieves as many times as we can during the day. So we're going to do 10 drops into this 10 milliliter bottle. Well, 11. One for good measure, right? And another one we're going to use is frankincense. This is an amazing oil for so many things, but it is great for immune support. 4. I'm going to do 10 or 11 of that as well. And then we're going to use lemon, because this is amazing. Why not add a little extra lemon? This is great stuff. So 10 of lemon. Okay. And the final one we're going to use, this one is a super powerful one, so we're only going to do 5. This is oregano. There we go. And now, obviously, the oils only come to maybe a fourth of the bottle. So here's what we're going to do. Hang on a sec. So I have a blend here. This is called V6. This is a blend of vegetable oils. It has, grapeseed oil, sesame, sweet almond, wheat, and olive oils. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to stick it right in there. And carefully, we're just going to pump it in. There we go. Not too full. I don't want to just squirt all over the place. And then I have my little cover for that. It's like the in-between portion. Hopefully it'll smush in there. There we go. So there's a little roller ball. And then the cover piece. You can see that goes right on there. Clips right in. There you go. So you can just shake it up if you want. And this is what I do. A little there, always here. On the back of a spine, I'll do like up and down the spine for my kids before they go to school or before we do anything. Every single day. On the bottoms of our feet, that's actually it absorbs quickly into the body. So that, my friends, is an immune supporting roller, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.